Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano, and this is my final presentation for B250. And in this video I will show the store I created, and this store is for selling products for LDS, members of the church, of course. So here I have the store that is the artsud.com.dr, and artsud means LDS art. In my website I have the home page, which has some images and some information about the store, and on the footer we can find the social media links and some links for frequent questions and about us, and terms and conditions, and also instructions for taking care of the products. Here on the menu I have this link up, which is a About Us link, which says a little about the store, and here I have the store link that takes me to another page, which is was created in another website provider. So if I go back, we can see also the talk to us, the contact page, which is also in the same page as the Artsud store, that they give me this form so I can use it for the contact page. And basically the site is this. I need to improve a little more. I need to add some more products, and this class was a really good experience for me to work with this store, because I was planning to work with this. I was planning to have a store like this, but I didn't know how to start, and now it is ready. And here I have Google Analytics for the Artsud page, and with the information for the ads we did during the class. My Google Ads is paused now because I didn't pay continue the process, but we have here some information about the Artsud store, and also AdWords that I use it to make the ads, and it was a really nice experience. And here we have the ad and the results of the campaign. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like it. Thank you.